Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, I will with you Dr. Hamad Hussein. I will show you how treatment of snoring by natural way, just doing few exercise. Okay, in this system, I will show you how treatment snoring in just few steps by doing some exercise, natural and the granted the methods. Okay, we all know that the snoring is make us enough to drive anyone crazy. If you are sleeping alone, walking up tired and frustrated, or just plain fed up with the pills that is constantly swing looks, then I have got treated for you. Um, I will show you. This is not all we to treat for snoring. Okay, if you choose 100% natural, strengthens you physically, relax and relieves the tension. Choose quick result. Just few exercise. This is program will strengthen your tongue. You get exercise that will strengthen your tongue so it stop falling back into your throat, which is very common cause of snoring and unhealthy and dangerous way to breathing. Expand your throat. Discover an exercise that opens your airway so you don't have to breathe so strongly when sleeping. Another common cause snoring. Unblock your nasal passage. Free your airway. Okay, not only yeah, yeah. I hope you come to visit my website. I hope you, if you have suffering from snoring, I hope you have a good treatment, natural treatment. Just a few exercise I will show you. Imagine. But I want you to imagine when you have been treated from your snoring, you will have sleep straight through the night, not having to leave your partner's bed. You will you will sleep with your partner bed in quiet way, waking up refreshed and re enjoyed. Okay, eliminating the frustration of walking up your body when rolled over, being able to show communication without imprisonment. Okay, never rubbing your robins of good night sleep again, avoiding surgery. Yes, it is an important thing. Avoiding surgery, implants, or unforgettable snoring disease. Nice. I hope you have a nice night. I hope you come and visit us. Thank you. Goodbye.